Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Nike Run Club on Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check the compatibility. Ensure your Apple Watch is compatible with the Nike Run Club app available on Apple Watch Series 1 and later. Now the next step is to install the app on the phone. Head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Nike Run Club and then hit search, and once that loads, tap on the Nike Run Club app and then tap on the get option or install option according to your device. Now once downloaded, what you need to do is simply tap on open and then sign into your account. Now once you are logged in, what you need to do is install the app on your Apple Watch. So to do that, open the Watch app on your iPhone, scroll down to find the Nike Run Club app in the list of available apps, tap on it, then toggle on show app on Apple Watch to install the app on your watch. Now once that's done, app should automatically sync to your Apple Watch if it is installed on your iPhone. Now the next step is to open up the app on your Apple Watch. After installation, you can find the Nike Run Club app on your Apple Watch home screen. Simply tap on the app to load the app, and once you do that, now you are ready to track your runs using the Nike Run Club app on your Apple Watch. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.